the battery isn't charging anymore. There's no way to repair the motorcycle up here.
Yeah, so good, so good. So good.
Last night we are driving the motorcycle and then we had a small issue. The ignition gets very crazy, and especially when I turn on the light, and then what I find out is that the battery isn't charging anymore, and when the voltage of the battery becomes too low, the ignition isn't working anymore. So I suspected that the stator or the regulator or rectifier is broken, but then when I go to the motorcycle and I open this case which contains the stator, I find out that it was full of oil, and the reason was a leaking oil seal, and that was the reason why the battery wasn't charging anymore. And then yeah, I was thinking what I'm going to do, because there's no way to repair the motorcycle up here. My neighbors here suggested me to pay someone to transport the whole bicycle to the village and let the mechanic there fix it.
So this is the driver, professional driver, Kuya Michael.
Alak, soft drinks dito kaya. Soft drinks. Guba. Ya ka ben. Simpo ka ba? Dito ka. Diretso alsa? Sige. Tayo daw tani pre. Ah! Gaan raman di ay. Bisa. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Ayan lang. Ya, so good, so good. So good. Okay. Naik butang. Okay. Yan ba? Mukuan man ubing berhang. Berhang? Ah, natural. Na, gunita na mo. Adali naman ka. Ako rin sakay daron.
Makaya na ni mo pasaka ang ay Kuya Michael?
Oh, tangkihan sa ko. Sakay ko. Ayan. Pwede naman ihigtan na ini. Dili na ko ano, ikot to turo. Oy, bitik lang siguro sa gamay sa ikot to. Umi siya. Gamay mga ulog lang. Gaid gino pa. Ang kaming cover niya, bilan na.
Bilhin na ako.
Yeah, let's see if that's working.
Of course it's working.
You have a lot of trust.
Of course, because just easy for them.
Yeah, that's how they transport a motorcycle in the Philippines.
Okay. Pugnan ako, ikek ah. Pugnan mo to ulang. Pugnan ako.
Gani marbel. Kalsa imong ulo ben.
Kalsor na ko yung ulo na koron.
Gudbang gupit.
Sundalo ni tiyo.
Dalos ka boss.
Sundalo. May brake siya.
Babe, don't push it. Babe, don't push it. Just
Adlock mo kumatab tabunan sa mo ana no. Tamli.
Pusas ko na rin.
Dito rin ipa-drive ko na. Kaya na ako.
Wow. Diri. Angkol tatar ako sakay. Oh, yaw Marvin. Kaya ko ako tabi.
Ako dito.
the next day now. We get our motorcycle back. It's fully repaired. We did a total engine renewal. We changed all bearings, oil seals and gaskets, and we sharpened the valves, so the engine is like brand new now. And there was also an electric issue. Inside of these cables coming from the stator going to the regulator, and they are burned. There was no good connection. That was the reason why it wasn't charging. Yeah, so we have like an almost brand new motorcycle now. I paid 1,700 for the parts and 2,500 for the repair. So that's less than 100 euros or dollars for the repair. That's very good, very cheap. And then, yeah, yesterday after we bring the motorcycle to the repair shop, we drive back here by the motorcycle, and then when I go pick it, I have no other choice than walking down the hills. That is 10 kilometers, and that was super hot. It was during the midday, about 35 degrees, almost no shadows, and I just walk. And then after about half the way, there was a truck coming along from the mountains, and they picked me. And then after that, when I arrived down in the village, it started raining super hard. So I take a rest. I got invited by some very nice people, 7-day Adventists, and I take a lunch there. And after that I took a tricycle to the village, but yeah, we had to pass another small river and it was very big, so there was no way of passing it, so we had to take another way. Yeah, so that was really an adventure, but we got our motorcycle back. Everything's running now, everything's fine. So if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to this channel, and see you next time.